We're live. Hey everybody, this is the Web Server Frameworks team meeting for, I guess we rescheduled, so this is Thursday the 30th. And we're gonna have a fairly quick, we're gonna try to fit most of the conversation in the first 30 minutes. James, who's leading the most important work we have to talk about, has some other things he has to go to. So we'll jump right in. The agenda is basically going to be this issue, which is issue number 55, Future of HTTP Technical Plan. So go ahead and, oh, and I didn't link, let me grab the link to the Google Doc. Well, let's just get started and we can get the Google Doc sorted because it looks like it's not in the thread. That might be my bad. So James, do you want to take it away?
Yeah. So if everyone opens up 55, I mean, there's already been some comments in there, and it really, let's kind of start there and go through on the discussion. For the sake of people listening on the live stream or watching this later, let me just quickly summarize it, and then we can go in from there. Up to this point within Node, we've had the HP1 implementation, then we had the HP2 implementation, or we have HP1 over TLS, then HP2. Now we're working on HP3 through Quick. What we've ended up with right now is currently 4 distinct HTTP server API implementations. So there's HP1 over TLS, HP2 core, and HP2 compat. For a variety of reasons, those are using separate code paths in places, like completely separate. The way HP2 works under the covers and the way the HP1 stuff was implemented originally kind of forced that decision on us. Basically, we couldn't make HP2 work with HP1 without breaking changes to HP1 that would break everybody else and all the frameworks out there. So I ended up having to go a separate code path. Unfortunately, it makes things significantly more difficult to maintain, both in core, and makes it significantly harder for the frameworks to actually adopt. So if we look at the challenges that Express have been having on adopting HP2, it's just fundamentally a pain in the ass to do anything with. Quick is just going to make things even more difficult because of the move to the UDP based model. Whereas all of the HP1 and 2 stuff in core currently, very tightly bound to the TCP